Today we are going to be cutting a cross rib roast into what we call beef country style ribs. So let's get into it.
Alright, so we're going to be cutting a boneless cross rib roast. It comes from the upper shoulder of the cow. And we cut these into steaks or country style ribs here at the market. So let's get into it. It's kind of a complicated cut of meat for somebody who's never cut before. It's not as straightforward as, say, like a chuck roast or something. So on this piece, what you want to start first is there's a little flat piece here. You're going to trim this fat off. You want to try to, every cut of meat, you a piece of meat you cut, you want to try to take off as little meat as possible. Just because that means profit. So just when you peel this back, you just kind of want to just follow this bone skin down. You can see there's a seam there, so I like to just peel it back, go along that seam, keep peeling. Trim all the fat off with this. Like cube steaks or stew meat. Take a little more of that fat off. It's like 95 degrees it's going to be today, so probably not any stew meat. So I use that for cube steaks. Next, you want to trim off all this fat and silver skin up here. How are you guys liking this camera angle? Is that pretty good? I know the last one when I was cutting that beef rib, it wasn't the best, so I'm just going to work with the angles a little bit more. Alright, so got that top part cleaned up. And right here, normally what you'd have, well, not normally, every cow has it, is a what they call flat iron. It's a big old piece of meat that comes out about this far, and sometimes they take it off, and other times, you know, they'll have this piece off, and they'll call this the clod part. We just happen to get it this way this time. So what you're going to have is some bristle that runs down here that separates the flat iron from the cross rib. So you want to come in here, find that bristle seam, cut that off. That looks okay to me. And there's a little seam that divides this piece from this piece, so you want to kind of come down and find that seam. Ride that membrane down, cut it, then you have your another piece of meat for like stew or cube material. And you just kind of clean it up a little bit, don't take too much meat off. Pretty good to me, I think. And now you just kind of want to trim the fat a little bit on the back. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. Alright, so that looks pretty good. So then what you want to do is, you see the grain kind of going this direction. You want to cut against that, square this piece up here. More material for like stew meat or whatnot. And cut this into good 1.5 inch pieces. And this goes for steaks too. If you're going to do steaks out of this piece, you just want to cut them, well, preference really. A lot of people just do like an inch, but we're doing country style, so we want to make these thicker. So cut that about inch and a half or so, more like inch and 3/4. That's what we call country style ribs here in Southern Oregon. It might be called something different where you live. Funny the different names of the same kind of cuts throughout the states. There, and then that first piece, you can even use that for a country style rib. Just kind of square it up. Make sure all the pieces are nice and squared here. Just cut it right in half. Turn it over. And you got 2 more country styles there. Alright guys, I gotta get back to work. If you liked the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any recommendations on something that you want to see me cut on the next video, put it in the comments down below. And you guys take care, and I'll see you on the next video.